A very good morning to all of you, my dear friends. This is Shafiq Ahmed, and you are all welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Let's Learn Together. Today, I have come up with the burning topic during this COVID-19 pandemic. As everything has gone online, and the crackers, or you can say the hackers, have got a lot of chance to cheat people, to defame people, to use their faces, their morphing, and many online cheatings and problems are going on nowadays. So I have come up with a topic. You can see importance of cyber security and digital safety, which will help us to secure ourselves, to update ourselves, and we would definitely defeat the crackers as well. So what we have to do, we have to be very alert and follow some of the tips that I am going to share with you all in the next coming slides. Let us start with the name of the Almighty. There are few things that I would like to share with you all, my dear friends, that what are the current online frauds that are going on nowadays. The first one is what? Cyber stalking. Stalking means what? किसी के पीछे लग जाना. The repeated use of electronic communication to harass or frighten someone means these people, those who used to do cyber stalking, they will try to send you electronic communication either via emails, WhatsApp, or anything. They will try to harass you, to frighten you by sending emails after emails, and you would be really very fed up and headache. This will be headache for you. So that is also going on nowadays, as everyone is online nowadays. The next one is about cyber bullying. Bullying, what it means someone is using internet or the mobile technology to intentionally harass you. They are intentionally doing something which is going to harass you by sending rude, hurtful message that will hurt you. Comments, suppose you are making videos online, uploading it on the YouTube channel also, say they will pass such comments also. Few days ago, I was also facing the same thing. So I will let you understand how to get out of all these things. Comments and images, any videos, they will try to intentionally hurt you by sending images, videos, comments, hurtful messages. Include false accusation. आपको blame करेंगे. They will try to defame you also. So this is known as cyber bullying. Fake accounts. Someone will call you from the bank. They will say that I'm calling from bank for KYC or for update your debit card, credit card, all these things. They will also call you and they will try to tell you that I will do your KYC online. So please don't trust them. They will also threat. Give you the threat warning that they will disseminate, means they will distribute your intimate images which they can get from the social working websites also. So they will tell you that I will show off all these images, I will share with your families, friends. So they will try to blackmail you. Even they will try to hack and misuse your accounts also, and that all because of our mistakes that I will share in the next few slides. Even nowadays it is going very often, that is the morphing the pictures, means they will take your face and they will cut you, they will crop your face, and then they will use it somewhere else, and they will send you those pictures, and they will try to threaten you that okay, these are the things, and they are right. Let me tell you, they are quite clever, they are very sharp also. So they will use your pictures, their faces, and will prove you that you were there at some other places where you should not be. So they will try to blackmail you once again. Another thing that is going on around the world is dogpiling. That is vicious mob attack on individual comments. Means suppose you have posted something, your photograph or some writings, or in Twitter something you have posted, then a number of people will join together to criticize you, to abuse you, to they will start sharing abusive comments or criticizing you, and because they are the group of persons, they will try to harass you. And if you will ask them to stop all this, they can charge you anything. They will ask for the payment, anything. Another thing which is going on, that someone will call you and ask you to that I will change your 3G SIM card to 4G SIM card, you please provide me the details of the SIM and this and that. They will take all the details from you. So let me tell you, my friends, all these things are just leading you to the black hole. You will just find yourself at trouble. Don't believe on all these things. So let us move ahead. How can you save yourself? Let me show you now how can you save all yourselves from this all this. You can see over here there are a few logos you can understand you that is known to you also: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp. That I am going to cover in this video, my dear students, my dear viewers. Let me tell you first that you will have to secure your security. That security checkup, the basics of security settings, you will have to know. If you are online, if you are using all these things, then you must know about the security. How can you maintain that security? How can you use the security checkups? That I will deal in this video only. Privacy, that is quite important, my dear viewers. Privacy is the most important one over here. Choose what you want to share and with whom. That is most important. Safety also: block anyone you don't want to interact and report such harmful content also. And I will guide you in this tutorial, my dear student, my dear viewers, that where can you report such harmful content. First of all, block them. And the next one is what? Well-being, helping you build meaningful social interactions with others. So these are the 4 things that we are going to cover in this tutorial. Let us start with the which one would you have? WhatsApp first. Let's secure us with WhatsApp first. Everyone is nowadays using WhatsApp. Almost everyone is using WhatsApp. So these are the settings, a few of the settings that I am going to share with you, my dear viewers, which will really help you a lot to secure yourself. What you will have to do, first open the setting in your WhatsApp, then go to account section, and then go to privacy section. Click over here in privacy, and here you can note last seen. You will have to set it as per your choice, but I have set you to nobody can see when I am using WhatsApp and when I am not using WhatsApp. Even your profile photo, that is one of the source from where the hackers or the people who used to morph your images, they get the profile photo. So you just set it that only your contacts can see your profile photo. About, set it only as my contact. Status also my contact. Read receipt, suppose if it is turned off, you won't send the send receipt. Read receipt sent for group chats means if you will turn it on, then everyone will be saying your contacts, your viewers will be able to see whether that you have received the message or not. That will be blue tick. And even you can also see whether someone has received a message or not. And one more thing over here, my dear viewers, let me tell you over here, this is quite important. Groups. Suppose you wake up in the night and saw your phone in your phone that someone has made a group and someone has added you, who is unknown person, and will they can lead you to some trouble also. So set it, as you can see over here, my contacts. Only your contacts can make you or add you in a group. Only your contacts. And I know that you all know your contacts very well. Another thing, live location, keep it as none only. If you don't want to share location, then why should you share the location every time to everyone? So live location, set it to none. If you don't want to interact with someone, block them. Just right click on their number and just select block. And the most important one of the thing over here, my dear viewers, is that fingerprint lock. That is one of the new feature in WhatsApp. And if your device is giving you the option of fingerprint sensor, if it is having, then enable this fingerprint lock also, so that unknown user or no one can see your WhatsApp messages, your contacts. Enable this fingerprint lock also. That is quite important, my dear viewers. Next one, let me tell you, the next image is also, the next slide is also quite important, my dear viewers. This one. Again, go to settings, go to my account section, and enable this also, two-step verification. What is it, my dear viewers? It is just one another layer of security on your WhatsApp. Means now you will have two type of security. The first number that I showed you well before, and this is the second security that will really help you to get away from those crackers. Two-step verification, click it over here, two-step verification, then just click on enable over here. Now you just read out this message, my dear viewers. For added security, enable two-step verification, which will require a pin when registering your phone number with WhatsApp again. Suppose you're changing your device, you have uninstalled your WhatsApp, then while installing the WhatsApp with the same number, it will ask you for this 6-digit pin. So it will prevent you that no one would be able to install WhatsApp in their device with your phone number. Suppose if they get the message, so they will still not be able to install WhatsApp in their own device, you know? So it is better to enable it and remember this 6-digit pin, and type 6-digit pin and write it somewhere. Remember this. Don't share this 6-digit pin with anyone. So these are the securities that you will have to just start and make it done for yourself, for your security, my dear students, my dear friends, my dear viewers. So these are the securities that you should enable in the WhatsApp account. In the next tutorial, I will share few things about WhatsApp. One more thing is there, web WhatsApp. Many of us are using web WhatsApp also, that we are using in WhatsApp in our laptop, in our PC. So where we used to go and log into web.whatsapp.com. Okay, that is good, but don't tick it over here. It will just make your WhatsApp account live there every time. If you will close the browser, even then it will be there online. So please untick this one. Whenever you just finished up using WhatsApp account in the web browser, then just log out also. So be safe, be smart, my dear viewers. So these are the things that you will have to secure yourself in WhatsApp account, my dear viewers. Next, more we will meet in our next tutorial, that I will deal with Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter account also. That's all. Thank you, my dear viewers. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and share this video along with your friends and relatives also. Don't forget to comment and press the bell icon also. That's all. Thank you, my dear viewers.